Good morning! Welcome to Everyday Noms. Today, we are making keto popcorn chicken. This is a really savory snack for your hunger pangs. So, let's start! Here are the ingredients you need. Before we start combining the ingredients, don't forget to cut your chicken to bite-sized pieces. I am using 2 to 3 pieces of boneless chicken thighs here. We need to combine 1 cup of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Do adjust the spices to your liking if you can't handle spice. Give it a mix. In another bowl, crack 2 eggs and beat them. Then, all you have to do is to dip the chicken in the eggs and then the flour mix. I like to coat them all before frying to reduce messiness in the kitchen. Once it is all ready, you can deep fry them on medium-high heat. I left them alone to let it cook for a few minutes and then check to see if it's golden. Once it looks fried, take them out and leave it to cool. You can eat it with some keto mayonnaise if you have some, but I like to sprinkle just a little bit of furikake to get that umami flavor. Super simple recipe! Do try this one and let me know how it goes. If you like this video, click like and subscribe to this channel for more upcoming videos. Till next time!